How to become a millionaire.
wealthy?
So how do I get rich?
You need to get rich. And you need to get rich.
But yes,
quick.
everybody can
They
be
want
rich.
to make a lot of money.
I get asked is how to get rich.
How to become rich. Millionaires cultivate money habits and qualities that are a notch above the rest. If you are one among those who are already on the right financial path, you will become rich one day. Dream of owning a house by the beach or taking a trip to an exotic place? Becoming rich is a dream we all have. Though it may seem far-fetched for some, there are many who have cultivated a few key money habits that are proven systems for getting rich. Being wealthy is not just about how much money one makes, it's about your mindset towards how you use the money. Tweaking a few money spending habits and avoiding certain financial mistakes can put you on the right track to being wealthy. If you are one among those who are already on the right financial path, here are 5 signs to know that you will become rich one day. 1. Avoid instant gratification. If you are able to resist your I want it right now temptation, you have successfully overcome your first obstacle towards money creation.
Young men are so impulsive.
It's so impulsive, but I'll come.
Instant gratification can be an expensive affair in the short term, and it can snowball into a bigger problem if it can't be controlled. A saved rupee can help you on a rainy day, or if invested with diligence, it can also increase your wealth over time. 2. Pursuing your passion relentlessly. If you are investing enough time in making yourself better at your work, your income-producing ability is sure to increase. Likewise, pursuing your dreams relentlessly often pays rich yields over time. This is usually never without its share of doubts, struggles, and even possible rejection and dejection. When you are great at what you do, it surely shows and pays well. Be great at what you do. 3. Frugal yet balanced living. Do you follow a certain level of discipline while spending?
Wow.
Do you put your needs before your wants? One's decision to make the most of their hard-earned money lies in the choices between needs and wants. Truly wealthy people don't flaunt their money. From Mark Zuckerberg's simple wardrobe choices to Warren Buffett's modest home, some of the wealthiest people are the most frugal. Our spending pattern has a significant impact on our finances and wealth. Cutting down on things that aren't necessary, avoiding eating out every day, or choosing to live in a modest yet comfortable apartment are some ways to save up more.
Extremely modest. Humble even.
4. Budgeting. Does your budget dictate the way you save and spend money? Your path towards becoming rich starts with a definitive plan to effectively allocate your money. A good budget is the first step towards a good financial plan. Creating a category for each expense and a monthly evaluation of your expenses on needs and wants can help you spend less and save more. If you already have a clear picture about your expenses and incomes, it's easier to cut down on unnecessary expenses that do not fit your budget. 5. Invest whatever you can. Being rich is not a question of one's ability or fortune or even a sense of entitlement. The question of why one is not wealthy can in most cases be simply attributed to the fact that they are not being investors. Most times we think a large sum of money is required to start investing. On the contrary, much like little drops of water which make up the mighty ocean, small sums of money in the form of systematic investment plans, SIPs, and the right mix of assets over time will make you wealthy. Being rich and successful is a process. I produce content that can help you in this process. To get one step closer to wealth and success and to support me in this process, you can watch my other videos and subscribe to my channel.